Hello and welcome to Pacbrake's install video series. Today we will be installing a HP10207 amp air spring kit on a 2011 Dodge Ram 1500 4-wheel drive. The installation of this kit is applicable to all 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 4-wheel drives. The estimated install time of this kit is around 4 hours, but you may be able to complete it much quicker depending on your mechanical experience. Please read the install manual that came with your kit carefully before conducting the installation, as this video is by no means a replacement to the manual. You can find your install manual and more at pacbrake.com/HP10207. Let's get started. Before we begin the installation, we will assemble the air spring. Place the roll plates on the air spring and fasten the NPT air fittings. Insert 4 carriage bolts as shown and fasten the top bracket with the included washers, hex bolts, and lock washers. Torque the hex bolts to 20 foot-pounds. On the bottom side, place the roll plates onto the ends of the air spring and fasten the bottom bracket over it using the included countersunk screws. Torque the countersunk screws to 20 foot-pounds. The two bottom brackets have a driver and passenger side. In this video, the right air spring is the driver side and the left air spring is the passenger. The first step to the installation is to park your vehicle on a level surface, raising and supporting the rear axle onto 2 jack stands and removing the rear wheels. Next, remove the lower shock bolt and mark the coil spring position. Then raise the truck frame by jacking on the tow hitch and remove the coil spring. Remove the bump stop by grinding off the spot welds surrounding the frame. In this installation, we have already done this step. Loosely assemble the included guiding bolt and nylon locking nut to the frame bracket and locate it to where the bump stop was as shown. Align the bracket using the guiding bolt and hold the bracket firmly against the frame. Then mark and drill 5/16 holes as shown. Remove the guiding bolt and repeat this step for the other side. Next, fasten the included self-tapping screws. In this installation vehicle, this is only a demonstration as it had the amp air spring previously installed. Insert the included carriage bolts into the lower bracket of the air spring and install it onto the truck. Ensure the carriage bolts are inserted into the axle's mounting hole and the hooks on the bottom bracket are lashed onto the flange properly. Fasten the carriage bolts using the included flange nuts. Reinstall the coil spring in the marked position and lower the truck frame just enough to loosely insert the top bracket carriage bolts into the frame bracket's mounting hole. Then fasten the included flange nuts to the carriage bolts. Then reinstall the lower shock bolts. To install the heat shield, bend the tabs as shown. Attach the heat shield to the exhaust pipe by using the hose clamps to secure the bent tabs. Install the air line to the vehicle through the license plate mounting holes. Sandwich the Schrader valve by using the included hex nut and flat washers and route the air lines to the air springs. Perform a leak test to ensure the air fitting is fastened airtight. Inflate the air spring and spray soapy water over the fitting and observe no bubbling occurs. In this demonstration, if bubbling occurs, tighten the air fitting until the bubbling stops and wipe the area dry. Spray soapy water again to ensure it is airtight. Congratulations! You've just completed the install of your amp air spring kit. If you have questions or concerns, please contact Pacbrake at 1-800-663-0096 to talk to one of our qualified customer support team reps or visit our website at www.pacbrake.com, which has all the technical support you'll need. Don't forget to register your warranty with us to take advantage of the lifetime warranty on your air springs. For your additional air needs, you can also upgrade your system with amp air springs control, air compressors, or air tanks. To stay up to date on all Pacbrake products, like and subscribe to our channel below. Thanks for watching.